Marhaban, ahlan wa sahlan bikum. Welcome again to our Gateway to Arabic channel with me, Dr. Imran Hamza Alawiye. Today's lesson, we continue learning how to read and write the Arabic script easily and efficiently using one of my books, Gateway to Arabic, Book 1. Now, over the last few lessons, we have learned, I hope, the alphabets in order. Today, we are going to start learning how to join our letters. As I've already mentioned, Arabic is written from right to left across the page. There's no small letters or capital letters. Instead, we have isolated form, initial form, medial form, and final form. Let's discover how to do that. We're going to take 5 letters for today. And they're not necessarily in order of the alphabet because I want to address them as the similarity between them as they join. Okay, the following 5 letters behave the same way when joined. And the first of them is ba. This is the ba isolated form, or standalone if you like. And now let's look at the letter ba joined with the initial, medial, and final. Here we go. Letter ba joined. Now, although you can see the arrow showing you the hand movement direction of your hand movement, let me show you now. Actually, look at me, look at my hands as I'm demonstrating this for you, how to write letter ba in isolated form as well as the joined form. Here we are. Writing letter ba in its isolated form, right from right to left across the page. The shape is in place, then apply the dots. Letter ba standing alone. Ba joined, the first one extended to join the second one, and then the second to join the final ba. Then go back and apply the dots to each of the 3 letter bars. The next letter is letter Thaa. You may notice that it's the same shape as letter ba. Yes, but it's carrying 2 dots on top instead of 1 dot below for the letter ba. Again, you see the arrow showing you the direction of our hands movement when you are writing this. Nevertheless, again, let me demonstrate and show you. See my hand movement as I'm writing letter Thaa in isolate and in a joined form as well. Have a look at me, my hand writing this for you. Pay attention to the relation between the letter and the line, where the letter is sitting, whether they're sitting above or below, as you will see. Here we go. Letter Thaa is identical to the way we wrote letter ba, except that you put 2 dots on top. To join letter Thaa is the same hand movement. First Thaa extended to join the second to join the final Thaa. Then go back and apply your 2 dots on each of the letter Thaa. Letter Thaa joined. The next letter is letter Thaa. Letter Thaa is in the same family as letter ba with 1 dot below, and letter Thaa with 2 dots above. But as you can see, letter Thaa is carrying 3 dots. Okay, this is Thaa isolated form and Thaa joined. Let me now demonstrate for you how to write that, and pay attention to my hands movement as I'm writing letter Thaa in isolated form and in a joined form as well. Here we are. Letter Thaa is identical to the shape of letter Ba and Ta, except that we have 3 dots on top. To join Thaa is the same way. Extend the first one, extend the second one to join the final Thaa. Then go back and apply 3 dots to the first one, 3 dots to the media Thaa, and 3 dots to the final Thaa. The next letter, which behaves the same way when joined, is letter Noon. Noon. This is letter Noon, isolated form, and letter Noon, joined form. So, you see the arrow. Let him now demonstrate for you again how to write letter Noon in isolated form and letter Noon joined. Have a look. Letter Noon, isolated form, is now being formed for you. Go and then put dot on top, 1 dot. To join letter Noon, the hand movement is the same way as you will wrote Ba, Ta and Thaa. Here we go. Then you go back, having formulated the 3 Noon, and start applying 1 dot on top of the first one, 1 dot the media, and 1 dot to the final Noon. Well done. Ahsantum. Ahsantum. Now, the last letter, letter number 5 for today, which behaved the same way when joined, is letter Ya. Ya. Ya, you may remember, is the last letter in the alphabet. Ya, it's carrying 2 dots below. So this is letter Ya in isolated form and letter Ya joined. Again, watch me demonstrating for you how to write letter Ya in isolated form and Ya joined form. Here we go. Letter Ya, isolated form like a bird with 2 dots below. To write Ya in a joined form is the same hand movement as Ba, Ta, Thaa and Noon. And of course, you go back and apply 2 dots below the first one, 2 dots under the media one, and 2 dots on the final Ya. MashaAllah, well done. Ahsantum, ahsantum. Now, at the end of today's lesson, we now hopefully learn how to join 5 letters, how to write them in isolated form and in a joined form as well. Please continue watching this series. At the end of the series, you will know how to be perfect in writing your Arabic and reading Arabic text as well. Inshallah, God willing. Well done. Please subscribe before you go and send the link for me to your contact. And don't forget my charity, please. We're desperate for your help. There is a link below where you can click and make your donation to us, please. And thank you so much for some of you have done so. Thank you so much. Shukran jazilan. Jazakumullahu khairan. Ahsanallahu ilaykum. Wa adkhala surura ila qulubikum. Ma'a salama. Ila liqa. Fi amanillah.